Let me clear my throat.
Let me clear mine too. Yes. See.
We're no longer doing the things.
And Trevor, l-townboxing. Round one, touch gloves, let's go.
One to put the P with the I. Pimp till I die. Stay strapping full clips. Gangsta Mac, boy. Fuck that bullshit. I'm a cutthroat and can't help it. Keep 2 heaters cause I like my cheese melted. Mac, motherfucker. Back at you, suckers. Game hungry is a snack, motherfucker. Hitting rap loogies, hitting fat doobies. Getting paid from every bitch that's new.
It's like every day we contemplate on ways to get paid, to get laid. I'm doing it every day, I got mine and that's for sure. There ain't no lie when speaking the scrap. I stay strapped for 4, 5, 9 minutes and 3, 8 O's. It's time to go. I got a 2-way page for the essay and ready to go. Who wants to do it half done in about 10 kilos?
Earth on TV, subscribe or die. Get like us. FBC, First Block Connect, Diesel and the Goons out here. We doing it live.